Hi everyone, Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So, what are D-mount lenses? In this video, I'm going to explain to you what D-mount lenses are and the only type of Bolex that they fit on. So let's get going. So these are D-mount lenses for a Bolex D8L and similar non-reflex Bolex camera models on the pocket 8mm cameras. These right here by my pencil eraser at the bottom, little thumb holders and finger holders. So what you can do is you can hold that finger on that little mount right there, little holder rather, turn the D-mount lens and you can see the mount. It's a screw mount at the bottom of my pencil eraser. For the D-mount lens. This is, again, a non-reflex Bolex that takes non-reflex lenses. You can find this out by removing filter cover and upon that my camera will allow it to be seen here, it will be right up here at the top on the inside barrel of the lens under my pencil eraser here. It will read AR. This is a nickname for anti-reflex. It is not named, AR does not stand for, is not named anti-reflex, but it has been given the name through the years of the nickname anti-reflex. This is an indication when you're buying other lenses, you want to look for AR that will work on your non-reflex or anti-reflex, if you want to use the nickname term, 8mm Bolex camera body. The debate in the nickname and the name has went on for generations. We'll just put that right back on there. And of course to reapply it, if you've just gotten your 8mm Bolex non-reflex, just put it right on top, screw it back on, and you're good to go. Make sure it's secure, hold your finger here, and give it a couple little more twists to make sure it's on there. Do not over tighten anything on a Bolex. It's not needed. Alright? And that is essentially it. If you're new to your 8mm pocket Bolex, whatever the model, and you're concerned about the lenses, that's it. Hope you've learned a lot. If you have any questions, comment, do subscribe, click that bell below, comment and share. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. Till next time, see ya.